Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the way how you could enhance your computer security and protection by enabling the Windows applications and browsers control and security. To do that, go to your search tab if you have Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 and type Windows Security. You will see this application, click on it to open. You will have this option as the fourth one on the right, click on it to open. What you want to do, you want to go and click on reputation-based protection settings. You want to select check apps and files and click yes. Smart screen for Microsoft Edge and phishing protection. And warn me about malicious app and size has to be selected. And also potentially unwanted app blocking, you want to select it. And you can also select block apps or block apps download. You can select both or just one of them. I prefer to select block download since it's the default one. Also, you want to enable smart screen for Microsoft Store app. And you want to check that everything has been selected. Click on the arrow on the left to go back. And you want to check isolated browsing. Here you will be asked to install. Do you want really to allow this change? Just click yes. And you will be asked to install Net Framework 3.5, includes Net 2.0 and 3.0. You want just to select it. And also you want to select guard or guard host. Next step, you want to click OK, and the installation will take place. I will not do so for now. And the next step, you want to enable exploit protection. And you want to select use default one, and everything has to be use default one on. Forced randomize for image, just leave it off. Randomized memory allocation, just leave it use default on. High entropy ASLR, you want to have the use default on. And validate exception chains, you want to have use default on. And for validate heap integrity, you want to use default on. And this way you have enabled the Windows app and browser control security. And also you can click on turn on reputation-based protection for maximum protection. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, just press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.